Check out this nudist beach in Salem municipality. Well, on the border between Södertälje and Salem, and it is one of the very few beaches that Salem municipality has, and the only nudist beach as such. Now, this is more of a natural beach itself, but it is marked as nudist beach on several naturism portals, including the Scandinavian Naturbad Kartan also. Now it is very hard to get here by foot. There is, if you're coming by car, there is a parking lot that's for free, located on the main road, around 200 meters in that direction. But if you're coming by foot, you have the closest bus station being Bovallsvägen in the industrial area in Södertälje, and from there you have bus every half an hour towards Södertälje Centrum and Södertälje Stockholm, that are both running on the commuter train that will take you to Stockholm city. From the bus station I have walked around 2.5 kilometers, 25 minutes, mostly along the main road, but also partly in the industrial area as well. And I'm showing you another nudist beach in Stockholm. This is my very first time here. Earlier today I went to Brenninge Strandbad in Södertälje, and it was a disappointment, so I wanted to explore one more beach today, and it was so much worth it. On this Sunday, 6th of July 2025, currently it is 3:30 p.m. and I'm the only person on this nudist beach. And quite an interesting lake actually it is, and it's there is even a nice rocky beach I see on the other side if you go around the lake, but overall quite nice indeed. Yes, the name is called Tullans Naturbad, and it is also clothing optional beach as well because of its natural type. There is a small sandy beach over here, and I see there has been some algae blooming. I can see it towards the end of the water, some green greenish material, but otherwise inside it looks quite inviting. And since this is a very small lake, fairly small lake, I think it's gonna be quite warm in the water as well, which will make it perfect for a beach adventure. It feels so beautiful. Oh, there is an even larger rock formation on the east side of the lake as well. You can enjoy a bit of the view that I have while I am measuring the water temperature of Tullan Lake. So yeah, depressing weather, but that means that nobody is on the beach as well, so it's a kind of a win. And we have 18 degrees Celsius. Somehow I thought it's gonna be a bit warmer than this, as it was 17 degrees in the sea. Well, now Södertälje here, it's where also the Baltic Sea collides with Mälaren the same way as it is in the center of the city, but here it was made like they made in an artificial way that type, so that it can touch us because of the transports. I don't think it's a natural on itself, and that's how they made Södertörn, which is the third largest island that I actually live on, but it was made by humans so that it will be easier for the boats to get into the industrial area, I believe. Anyway, let's go in for a swim and enjoy a nice swim in Tullans lake and Tullans Naturbad. Yeah, that's the green material that I was telling you about. It's probably from the plants here in the lake. Sunday that is, and Chris is exploring another nudist beach here in Stockholm region, in Salem. I think I have been only once in Salem for a beach adventure. It was Bovallsvägen, on another lake closer to my home, that is. But yeah, this is the second beach then, and my very first time here at Tullans Naturbad. So, Chris at the nudist beach, let's go! Yes, it's a lake, I can confirm. You can feel it from the taste on your lips that it's not the sea. But I was already at the sea today, so I can now enjoy in peace and quiet in this beautiful nature over here in Salem. Salem is one of the least popular municipalities actually, and I don't think that there are many people living in this municipality. Located between Bovallsvägen, Huddinge and Södertälje, I believe so. But yeah, then greetings from this beautiful nudist beach, Tullans Naturbad in Salem, and make sure to tune in for more beach adventures on my channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.